And Delhi has delivered a fractured mandate, and neither the BJP nor the Aam Aadmi Party is in a position to form the government on its own. And so the question being asked is, will Delhi have a government in the foreseeable future?
It may be refreshing, but the Pehle Aap stalemate means 24 hours after a historic result, Delhi faces a very real possibility of another election. The single largest party, the BJP, says it would prefer to be the opposition, but the biggest opposition won't give up that place for power.
Our party will respect the mandate given by the Delhi people. We will not make any horse riding.
और बीजेपी अब सरकार बनाने से डर रही है। बीजेपी और कांग्रेस वाले मिलके बनाए सरकार, क्यों नहीं बना रहे वो सरकार?
Both AAP and BJP are several steps away from the magic figure, but Arvind Kejriwal met his winning candidates this evening to tell them that they will not stake claim to form the government and to be prepared for re-elections.
This is perhaps uncharted territory for the Lieutenant Governor. Usually, he would have invited the single largest party to form the government. But even if the BJP does a U-turn and does form a government, it will be a minority one.
The only way they can continue in government is if supposing either the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party abstains from voting at the time of no confidence.
Because it's a split verdict, it's an onus on both the parties to find a common ground to govern.
Election का मतलब ही नहीं होना चाहिए.
People have already chosen the government which they wanted, and expenditure will be will be on them if re-election will be held.
All eyes are now on the Lieutenant Governor. Could he invite the BJP or the Aam Aadmi Party to form the government and then prove their majority on the floor of the House? Or with both the parties insisting on playing the opposition's role, is a repoll in Delhi now inevitable? With Bureau Inputs in New Delhi, Neha Khanna for NDTV.